Good morning, Smoky Mountain Dogs family. Well, the cat's somewhat out of the bag. Behind me is another purchase. Yep, I went down to Douglas, Georgia, and I purchased another indigo blue trailer. This trailer happens to be 10 foot long. It's got the V-nose on the front. It's got the RV style door on the side. Got the blackout package. Nice black rims, black fenders, the black trim. And this one's only 10 foot. It is about 6.5 foot tall, and it's about 6.5 foot wide. So this is the match to the Smoky Mountain Dogs hot dog trailer. So this is going to be strictly just a transport trailer. It's going to be carrying equipment. We have got to get some graphics put on this thing. So why don't we do that today? Let's throw some graphics on this thing. So let's get her moved down and we'll start working on that. So stick with me. Kettle corn. There's my number. Locally owned and operated, Wares Valley, Tennessee. If you have an event, give me a call.